I'm ready to burn this stump out that's full of chain link fence. Yeah. Definitely not an ideal operational mode. I think I got too much oil in there. I just adjusted that fuel valve a little bit. It seems like it gave me a hotter flame with less oil. More manageable flame in it. According to what I'm seeing, the way the oil is injected has everything to do with the way the device will function, how well it'll operate. Right now it's working at what I would consider an optimal functionality. It's got a good burn, not too much oil, extremely hot, but just leaning in a certain way can alter that. I've also turned the oil valve down. I've got a hotter flame with the oil valve turned down. Here's the device running on low oil. It appears to be the most effective. It looks like it's the hottest like that for some reason. Maybe it's because there's more residual oxygen. It's nearly off. I don't know if it'll stay lit like this. It may eventually die out. I'm thinking I better turn it up just a hair. I've seen this before. It'll burn off residual buildup for a while and then just put out on it. Now it's starting to pick up just a hair. Very odd that no fire is shooting out of any of these little holes. They're all over this device. See one right there. Not sure what the flow rate is with this valve set right here, but it seems to do best at this setting. It's an oxygen-rich, super hot flame. It uses far less oil. Filled this up 1 minute 19 seconds ago. Far less oil in that setting. Still at 250 watts. It's actually only 150 watts because this squirrel cage fan is using about 100 watts too. That's just to cool off the blower. Okay, I'm getting over 7 minutes on just 1 liter. I want to go ahead and add some in before I lose too much pressure, flame out. But definitely far more conservative on fuel this time around. I was burning 3 liters in 15 minutes last time. Okay, fellas, the device is cooling down. I just let it burn itself out. Stump is gone. Still burning under the air power. But finished for the most part. Got a couple more like this to go. I don't know if you can see that chain link fence embedded in this. You can't just cut this out unless you want to ruin your saw, your chainsaw. So excess oxygen was definitely the way to go. I used 1/10 of the fuel and got a hotter, more effective flame. Definitely happy with the way this run worked out. Far better than the first test. I kept running this thing wide open. It's just doing me no justice. I was running about 1 liter per 10 minutes versus 3 liters per 15 minutes.